Dear AI aspiring engineers, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Project. Today we try to see a one of interesting topic that is nothing but how to convert from a list to Numpy array. From Numpy array, how to convert into the Pandas series. From Pandas series, how you can revert to a Numpy array. From Numpy array, how you can convert into the list, and from list how to do the series, from series how to do the list. So these conversions we try to see in this video. Without further delay, now let us jump into the session. The first one is a list. A list is a basic data type inside the Python. I have created a wrapper function, print the values and data types of a variable. That is nothing but the type where is called the data type and where we'll give the values. So this is one of the function I have written. So I am declare the num underscore list 1 to 10. You can see it on the screen, and I'm printing the values and the data type by using this wrapper function. I can see 1 to 10 they has printed with the comma. So when you see whenever there is a comma is printed and data type is a list, we can confirm this is a list. Now we are converting into the list to numpy array. From numpy array to list, how we are here to see that one. Import numpy as np, np.array. From L I am taking. So here I am taking the num underscore list and handovering over here. You can see it. Now I have run the code. You can see the class is numpy.nd array and the values 1 to 10. If there is no commas. So there is no commas mean it is nothing but as a numpy array. And the data type also we need to confirm. And from this numpy array, you can see we are taking that one numpy array and hand over into here to list we are doing. You can see, and I'm converting into the list, that is conversion list. Where running this one, you can see the conversion list is nothing but the list, and the values is comma separated 1 to 10. Only numbers which is a real numbers or integers allowed from list to numpy array, because numpy is a numerical library. Now convert numpy arrays to series and the list to series, that we try to see. First of all, numpy array, it is already been there. This is a numpy array I am taking, and pd dot series, for that one I imported the pandas. You can see it. So I have hand over here and I am doing. You can see pandas for series dot series. If you have only one column of a data, we can call it as a series. If your multiple columns are there, that is the data frame. That is the difference between the series and the data frame. Now it has been converted into the series. Now from we have taken the list from list to series, pd series, the same thing num underscore list I am giving. You can see it. So it's converted into the series and is printed. From series, how to convert into the numpy array. From series, how to convert into the list, that we try to see. So in this one, pandas underscore series, you can see this is the data type variable name I am taking and hand over to here by using 2 underscore numpy. You can see this is converted and you can see without the comma. So when you see the series, it will be printing like this and it is printing. So this is called as a vertical and this is called horizontal. Now convert the series to list, 2 underscore list, and numpy 2 underscore numpy. You can see it. So this is a comma separated one. So now we are moving on to here. From list, numpy array you can hand over. It is converting into the numpy array, and to list you can see the list. And here from numpy array pandas dot series you can hand over the array. It will convert to the series. You can use 2 underscore numpy array series dot values. 2 underscore numpy we have used. And from the list you can see panda series, you can convert into the series, but the series 2 underscore list, you can see here there is called it as a mistake, it is a 2 underscore list. So the from numpy array to list 2 list is there. From series to list 2 underscore list, and from series to numpy, you can convert to underscore numpy. This is the observations, you can take it. So this much we try to cover in this video, and this is a very important one. When you have the data from the list to numpy to pandas, from pandas you are converting into as an data frame. So like this we are moving around. These are the very important thing. Conversion plays a vital role in the machine learning and data science. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and we try to meet in the next video.